Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we are using the color of baby blue color, and now we're writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Stay with us. B, C, D, E for egg, F for fish, G for got. Kids, the next one is H for hand. Now we're using the color of geranium, writing the alphabet of H. Stay with us. I, J, K, L, M, N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. Stay with us. P, Q for queen, R for rose, F for rice, S, T. The next one is U for umbrella, V for van, W. The next one is X, Y, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.